Do this with toilet paper and an iron. The result is unbelievable. If you've got an iron and some toilet paper at home, get ready to discover a mind-blowing DIY hack that's not only simple, but will also save you a ton of time and money. This little trick is so effective that once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Trust me, you'll be using this technique all the time. Let's get started. All you need is a single sheet of toilet paper. Just one is enough. Fold it in half carefully. Now, take your opened plastic package and place it on top of the folded toilet paper. Then, fold the toilet paper back over the top of the package, essentially creating a cover. Now comes the fun part. Take your hot iron and gently press it over the folded toilet paper. The key here is to be gentle. You want to use just enough heat to seal the plastic without burning it. Move the iron slowly, applying heat for only a few seconds. You'll quickly notice how the heat fuses the plastic together without damaging the bag. The toilet paper acts as a barrier, protecting the plastic from overheating and making the process foolproof. Once sealed, your package will stay perfectly closed. It's an ideal way to keep your food fresh, protect ingredients from moisture, and ensure a tight seal without having to buy extra clips or resealing gadgets.